Hey there YouTube, Love to Boat 92 here. I broke a 1/4-inch ratchet a while ago, and anyone that knows me knows I don't like to throw things away. So, I thought of another use for this broken 1/4-inch ratchet. So here it is. You can see I broke the plastic handle off of it to switch it from righty-tighty and lefty-loosey. So, I now have a new pin! Look at this! It fits right in there perfect. And these ratchets must be made out of some pretty hard steel. I already used this once and I didn't even scratch the finish. Now I know this is chrome plated, and which is pretty hard anyways, but my new cart pin. I'll give you guys a quick glimpse for probably my next video upload. My new chainsaw. So take a look around my channel. If you see what you like, hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, please. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.